the special prosecutor of St. Lucia lauds the work of the Integrity Commission of Jamaica following his 2-day visit. So if some of us in Jamaica are so blinded to see that the Integrity Commission are working, St. Lucia special prosecutor applauds them for the work that they're doing. Right? On November 25th and 26th, 2024, the Integrity Commission hosted the special prosecutor of St. Lucia, Mr. Robert Innocent, on a special 2-day visit to its offices. The primary purpose of the visit was the special prosecutor to gain first-hand insight into the operations of the Commission, its institutional and legislative frameworks, and its effectiveness in combating corruption. Comprehensive briefings on the functions and operations of all of the Commission divisions and departments were facilitated, first in a